Well, now we are going to discuss about the dictionary. Dictionary is the last data type of the Python which can able to store the multiple values into one variable. Well, the difference is that the syntax of dictionary look like similar to a set, but difference is that it has a key and value pairs. Apart from that, its value are changeable, it is an ordered, and you cannot have a duplicates. For example, if you have already key and value pair, like you have the Google equal to Sergey, and you cannot able to create a new value, means Google equal to Larry, because the Sergey is updated with the value of Larry. Therefore, duplicates are not allowed in the dictionary. First of all, I go with creating a dictionary. Here we have x equal to, well, you have to use here the values. Well, this is a key, and this is the value, and this is the key. Next, this is the value, and next, this is the key, and this is the value. Well, we got the three keys and three value pairs, and this is how we have successfully created a dictionary. After successfully creating the dictionary, we go with the operations. First of all, I go with accessing the values, means the keys of that X dictionary. You have to just say you know X dot keys, and you have to go with execution. When you go with execution, it is going to give you the value A, B and C, and well, you got your answer as A, B, C. After that, if using that, if I use values, it is going to give me values as a 1, 2 and 3. Well, you got answer as a 1, 2, 3. And if these all things, if I add items and I just say it, run that program, you are going to get A equal to 1, B equal to 2 and C equal to 3. Well, you got your answer here, and this is how we go with items. And after that, you can able to update the values. Well, yes, you can able to update the values. Well, you can do that using a square bracket in which you have to mention the key. Here you have the key, and next after that you have to mention the values. Here x of c equal to 4, and I just run that program. Here you are going to get a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 4. Well, you got answer here, and you can actually do this using another version in which you can use x dot update in, and here you have to give both key and value pairs. Here I say c and equal to 4, and I just update that value. Well, you are going to get a1, b2 and c4. Here your values a1, b2 and c4, and this is how we are going to update the values. After, we have the pop method. Pop method is used to pop a particular element from that dictionary. For example, here I use a pop, and I just run the program. Well, you are going to get wait a second, actually we have to mention that element. Here I use an element, I just run the program. Well, you are going to get actually removing a, and you are going to get a b and c. Here you got a b and c because I haven't mentioned any of the variables in it. After that pop method, we have the pop item, and we are not going to use any of this key value pair here. It is going to remove the last element or the last key value pair from that X or the dictionary. Therefore, we got our answer as a1 and b2. And after this, we have the delete. In the delete method, you have to use a keyword delete, and you have to use that means you have to use that dictionary name, and you have to give the values, and you have to run that program. And here it is going to delete this a equal to 1. Here we have b2 and c3. And after this, you can able to clear every value which is present in that dictionary using a clear method, in which you are going to use x dot clear and run that program. Here wait a second, clear takes no arguments, because we said x dot items, therefore it's showing an error. When I say print x, it is going to give me a empty set, means empty dictionary. And this is how we go with the clear method. After the clear method, we have a new thing in which I'm going to use a loops. L for loops, I'm going to use a for loop in which I'm going to use a for I in this dictionary x. You have to actually print x of I. Well, it is going to print actually keys, the values. For x of a it is 1, x of b equal to 2, x of 3 c equal to 3, you got here. Now we can able to copy that particular dictionary into a new variable, and you can able to copy those all things into it. For example, here I say y equal to x dot copy, and I just save it. Next I'm going to use a print and y, and I just run that particular program, and well, you are going to get every dictionary like a1 b2 c3. And sorry, you cannot use directly y equal to x align. No, it's not possible, in which you just use a y equal to x then run the program. It actually throws you an error. Therefore, instead of that, I use a dict and run the program, in which it is going to do the same thing. Well, you have a equal to 1, b equal to 2, and c equal to 3, and this is how we are going to go with the dictionary. And these are all the data types which we have discussed, which includes the numbers, string, list, tuple, set, and dictionary. And these are all about it. Well, do subscribe our channel for regular updates. Thank you.